At number 1, we have the Nulaxy phone stand. This compact, versatile accessory is designed for anyone who wants a more comfortable, hands-free viewing experience while on the go. Its sturdy aluminum construction and adjustable design let you find the perfect angle for watching movies, browsing, or joining video calls. The biggest advantage, its foldable design. It takes up almost no space, making it perfect for your carry-on or backpack. Whether you're working from a cafe, relaxing in a hotel, or on a long flight, it eliminates hand fatigue and gives you the perfect view. The Nulaxy phone stand, the essential convenient gadget for travelers who value simplicity and style.
At number 2, we have the Aecooly luggage scale, an excellent travel companion for anyone who wants to avoid unexpected overweight baggage fees at the airport. This compact digital scale provides quick and accurate readings, up to 110 pounds, allowing you to check your suitcase weight before leaving home. Its compact and lightweight design makes it extremely easy to pack, taking up minimal space in your luggage. The strong strap and durable materials are built to withstand all your travel adventures, providing reliable use trip after trip. The easy-to-read digital display allows you to check the weight quickly and conveniently, giving you confidence before every flight. This is a practical and reliable travel essential. The Aecooly luggage scale is a small investment that can potentially save both time and money.
At number 3, we have the Airfly Pro 2 Bluetooth adapter. Tired of dealing with wired headphones on planes? This tiny device lets you connect your wireless headphones to any in-flight entertainment system. And the best part? Its dual pairing feature lets you share your movie or music with a travel companion. No more fighting over one headphone. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.3, it delivers high-quality, immersive sound with a 25-hour battery life, perfect for even the longest flights. But it's not just for airplanes. Use it in your car, with gym equipment, or even your gaming setup to upgrade any wired audio system. The Airfly Pro 2 is the ultimate travel companion. Stay connected, stay wireless, anywhere you go.
Tired of holding your phone during long flights? Meet the Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder, a game changer for travel entertainment. This clever, portable accessory attaches to airplane tray tables, letting you watch movies or browse content hands-free. Its adjustable design with 3 rotation joints allows you to find the perfect angle for any activity. Its compact size is perfect for your carry-on, and it's not just for planes. Use it on luggage handles during layovers, or on your desk for video calls and work. It's the ultimate accessory for hands-free viewing anywhere. Upgrade your travel experience with the Perilogics Airplane Phone Holder. It's the last in-flight upgrade you'll ever need.
At number 6, we have the Zelin zipper clips. These compact metal zipper clips are a game changer for travelers dealing with broken or missing zipper pulls on luggage, backpacks, and bags. Made from durable zinc alloy with a double-opening carabiner design, they attach quickly without tools and provide a secure anti-theft deterrent while restoring full functionality to zippers. Their tiny size makes them perfect for tossing into a carry-on as emergency spares. Lightweight, rust-resistant, and versatile for various bag types. Highly practical for frequent flyers or anyone tired of zipper frustrations mid-trip. Don't let a broken zipper ruin your trip. Zelin zipper clips are your ultimate travel companion.
At number 7, we have the FYY Travel Cable Organizer. It's the essential pouch for keeping your tech accessories tidy during travel, preventing tangled chargers and cables from cluttering your bag. Despite its small, lightweight size, it has a large internal capacity fitting all your essentials. It's water-resistant, durable, and features a convenient carrying strap for easy portability. It fits easily into backpacks or carry-ons, making packing and unpacking effortless while protecting your items. A must-have for digital nomads and organized travelers who hate cable chaos.
At number 8, we have the Mikare Airplane Phone Holder. This universal holder clips securely onto tray tables, luggage handles, desks, and more, offering hands-free viewing with 360-degree rotation and adjustable joints for the perfect angle. Compatible with most smartphones, it's ideal for watching movies, video calls, or reading during long flights without straining your arms.
At number 9, we have the Lisen Magnetic Airplane Phone Holder. The Lisen Magnetic Airplane Phone Holder uses strong magnets for a secure grip on compatible phones with a rotating design that attaches easily to tray tables and flat surfaces. It provides flexible positioning for comfortable hands-free viewing on flights, reducing arm fatigue during movies or work sessions. Compact, lightweight, and travel-ready, it's an excellent solution for mag-safe users seeking convenience without bulk.
At number 10, we have the Tac Today Collapsible Water Bottle, a space-saving essential for any minimalist traveler. It folds down completely flat, making it incredibly easy to pack. Perfect for saving space in your luggage or backpack. It's durable, dust-proof, and 100% leak-proof, so you can travel with total confidence. And the best part? The dual-use mouth. Stay hydrated your way, with either straw or chug modes. Eco-friendly and convenient, it's the ultimate bottle for helping you reduce plastic and stay refreshed on the go.
At number 11, we have the Wuben G5 EDC flashlight. This compact EDC flashlight is a game changer for minimalist travelers who value reliability and portability. Weighing next to nothing and small enough to clip onto a keychain, the Wuben G5 delivers surprisingly bright, adjustable light with multiple modes. From navigating dark hotel hallways to searching for items in your bag at night, this flashlight provides focused, dependable illumination without adding bulk. Its 180-degree rotating head and versatile clip offer ultimate adaptability, perfect for any situation during your adventures. Plus, its RGB mode offers 7 colors for signaling or ambiance, with even more possibilities to explore. Its USB rechargeable design eliminates the need for batteries, making it eco-friendly, convenient, and ready for extended trips. Highly recommended for anyone who wants powerful lighting in a tiny, rugged, and reliable package.
At number 12, we have the Aecooly portable fan. This is the ultimate personal cooling solution that fits easily in your pocket or carry-on. Its powerful airflow and flexible design keep you comfortable anywhere. Clip it, stand it, or hold it. With hours of battery life, it's ideal for travel, work, or sightseeing. With 3 quiet speed settings and a long-lasting battery, it's far superior to basic handheld fans. The Aecooly portable fan. Get the relief you need, exactly when you need it most. At number 13, we have the Gobags zipper pouch set, the ultimate solution to your packing chaos. Organization is key when traveling light, and this set excels at keeping your essentials neatly separated and easy to find. These durable, water-resistant pouches come in various sizes, perfect for cables, toiletries, documents, and more. The strong zippers and clear designs help you quickly locate items without any rummaging. Don't settle for flimsy alternatives. Gobags are 3x thicker with durable, waterproof zippers and a carabiner included. A must-have for digital nomads and frequent flyers. Transform your chaotic bags into well-ordered travel companions.
At number 14, we have the Verk portable charger. Stay powered up on the go with this slim, high-capacity power bank designed specifically for travelers. Tired of carrying a tangle of cables? It comes with 4 built-in cables, so you'll always have the right one for your phone, tablet, or headphones. Featuring PD20WW fast charging, it juices up your device twice as fast, so you can get back to your adventure in no time. The clear LED display shows your exact power level, and its lightweight, pocket-sized design means it won't weigh you down. Whether you're at home, commuting, or dealing with long flights, this charger delivers reliable backup power when you need it most. Its sleek build and efficient performance make the Verk portable charger an essential gadget for keeping your tech alive throughout any journey.